and slowly next expandedly in the automotive, but at the entire area of boundary what you see, I am an engineer. So I have always given a very short example for the people who don't know anything about SA, but I see that a lot of faculty, female and male both, at least ride a vehicle, either it's a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. So सबको पता होगा गाड़ी में engine oil पड़ता है, right? And that engine oil has got a grade. आप engine oil एक अलग डालते हो, gear में gear oil अलग डालते हो, लेकिन सबको मालूम है दुकान पे बोलना है 20T W40 है, ऐसे ही 20WT देना है. What is that? So this is what the organization is, what we have inaugurated today. So Henry Ford initially was a part of this entire SAE era to make this standardized. Standardization was required. तो इंडिया का अपना स्टैंडर्ड है, यूरोप का अपना स्टैंडर्ड है, अमेरिकन का अपना स्टैंडर्ड है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया का अलग स्टैंडर्ड है, रशिया का अलग है, चाइना का अलग है. How everybody can come under one same roof? तो जो ऑयल यहाँ पे आप पाओगे जिस ग्रेड का, वही ऑयल आप शायद किसी दूसरे कंट्री में भी जाओगे तो भी यू कैन गेट दैट. ये है बेसिकली मतलब एसए का. सो आई थिंक नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि एसए का एम्फेसिस कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो लोगों का क्वेश्चन था व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ सिविल. But trust me, the good structures of the vehicle come in from the civil, because civil is the best structure. I think so. Computer science has gone through with all the presentation. It is not possible to have such a entire core team of core engineering. Now, as Kakar sir was also talking about taking the risk and getting the reward. So I have a very simple principle in my life. I say, take risk and get reward. So unless and until you take the risk, you cannot get the reward. So if you take a risk, you can get the reward. And a leader is always recognized when he himself puts, or he is kept into the hot boiling water and he still stays in there and then comes out, just like a tea bag. So when a tea bag is kept in the hot water, tea उस टाइम बहुत अच्छी बनती है. अगर ठंडे पानी में डिप किया जाए तो उतनी अच्छी चाय नहीं बनती है. So leadership is just compared like a tea bag. Remember it in life. Now moving further ahead, I would really thank and appreciate Kakar sir for taking out the time and out of all his rich experience he has shared today without a presentation and making them understand the entire process of SAE and also the to become a multitasker in today's era and generation. And sir, yes, your experience is very rich for us. It's not yet old, as you said. And thank you so much,
I'm as young as them.
So that's the energy. More than that, you people should have it at his age. I hope so. And I really thank Sandeep Sharma sir to take out all of his time. And I understand in a manufacturing unit, because I remember when I was working in a Tata, one day you take out from your busy schedule in one shift, it's impossible. Your manager would not let you go out of the shop floor, certainly. So I understand how much of pain he might have taken, certainly sir. And although from today is Friday, tomorrow or day after it would have been, so I would have understand that he has compromised with his personal time. But today this is an official commercial time what he has compromised to give all that information and knowledge to all of us.
Which he made in the Vande Bharat Express.
Yeah. Okay, this is something new. I don't know this. I didn't know about this. So this is really a surprise that he had prepared all of utilized his 6 hours of journey from Delhi to Allahabad, what he has shown it to you. So guys, this is what passion is all about. He loves coming up and interaction and doing the interaction with students and young people. Out of all this 100 and 120 people, even 12 people get empowered on their own. His job is done. Not all the people will get everything what everybody is doing, but everybody has got hidden talents in everyone. So that's what I try and do. I always tell people, even for the faculties and non-faculty and also for the students here, everybody, we are trying to make your process easy. And somewhere in my life somebody said, the good leaders are the ones who always generate the multiple number of leaders along with them or behind them, so when they pass by, so there are leaders, so they don't have to worry whether they live or die. The company still runs. Now, so that's why I say that where the will is there, nothing is impossible. And I appreciate all the efforts taken by students, and I have made them, Kakar sir and Sharma sir, work them for at least extra hours till 7 p.m. in evening at my office, and I am the last person who goes off from the institute. So thanks for your patience, but I hope this will certainly enhance your future and help you, and you might have got a glimpse that tomorrow when you get into the industry, where will you stand with the tag of SA? You will feel very proud of it, trust me. And if you are able to publish any of the research papers in this SA International, that will remain lifelong in the digital library of SA worldwide. So you can think how important it is in your life as a technical engineer. So I really appreciate everyone's effort, and not only the faculty and students, but along with that the other staff members who have been working to put the banners, get the diya, lamp and projector and mic system, and the gardeners making up all their pits for the plantation, and certainly they have got more work to do from now onwards. So I really thank everyone for their all patience. Thank you very much for being so patient and listening up to the presentation, and I hope with sir's guidance and with our own efforts and with all people's involvement, we will do more and more activities, and certainly if I get in support, I will definitely guide and mentor you to make one of the best SA clubs in this region, as what sir said, and certainly they will always be there to support us. Thank you very much. Once again, I thank everybody for the entire function. Thank you so much.